Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. Starting to see a mix of rain and snow make its way into much of the state line this morning. Now, most of the morning did feature dry conditions thanks to still some lingering air above us from a high pressure system over the Great Lakes region. But as we take a live look this morning over by the Rochelle Airport, starting to see a few snowflakes fall across the airport and also across the state line this morning now that that column of air above us is becoming more saturated. But it also has been a windy start to the day out there. You can see 33 miles per hour in DeKalb, 31 in Rockford, and 35 in Sterling. So if you are traveling out there, aside from the wintry mix that we're seeing, those gusty winds are going to cause problems on the roadways, especially if you're traveling north or south. So keep a firm grip on that steering wheel with the gusty winds we have out there this morning. You can also see that we are going to be seeing a winter weather advisory for much of the region go into effect late this morning, stretching through the afternoon and then expiring around 7 o'clock this evening. That's because with the wintry mix this morning transitioning to all snow by this afternoon, with that chance for accumulating snow, it is going to cause issues out on the roadways. But here's a look at radar as of right now. You can see that much of what we're seeing is in the form of a mix of rain and snow. But as temperatures continue to cool, it is transitioning to more snow, and that snow is becoming more widespread to the north and then also to portions of the south here in the state line. Now, that high pressure system staying firmly in place continues to pump in dry air, but as we continue to see that atmosphere become more saturated, that's when the heavier precipitation is going to be moving in, especially late this morning, and especially as that low pressure system that is over the Central Plains moves closer towards our area. So let's take a look at that using Futurecast. You can see as we head into the midday hours, the snow becomes more widespread, but the heavier rates are going to be moving in this afternoon and also into this evening, and those rates could be as high as an inch per hour, and that's going to quickly deteriorate road conditions throughout the afternoon and evening. So if you are set to travel, make sure to allow for extra time. Now, after the evening commute is when we should start to see the accumulating snow and most of the heavier snow begin to wind down, leaving us with a little freezing drizzle heading into the night tonight, mostly cloudy skies into our Tuesday. Now, overall, though, I think much of the state line gets to see about 2 to 4 inches of slushy snow from this event as we head into tonight. Less to the southeast, but if you're more towards the west, maybe in Galena or Savannah, or even farther to the northwest, that's where the potential for up to 5, maybe even 6 inches of snow does develop. Now, some melting will occur, but you can see that colder surfaces are going to be seeing that accumulation a little bit quicker, especially on grassy surfaces and less frequently used roadways. Now, temperatures are going to be in the 40s tomorrow and Wednesday, so anything that we do see is going to be melting pretty quickly, and then we're going to continue to warm as we head into the upcoming weekend.